Give me a second here. What's good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. If you guys aren't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel, MJO23Dan. I'm also on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, so come check it out. Today's pickup, I have the Air Jordan 1 clay green ones. Now these were limited across the United States, Canada, and also they released the Blue Moons. I didn't have a shot at the Blue Moons, but I did win 2 pairs of the clay green ones. Now if you're wondering where the second pair is, I actually had that mailed over to Hawaii to my homeboy Floyd, who always helps me out with a few releases here and there, and I just wanted to give like a good gesture. I was originally going to be using the other pair for trade bait in the track red or the yellow ochre, which wasn't available stateside, so I'm still looking for those pairs. So if anybody out there can get me a size 10, hit your boy up.
Oh yeah!
But yeah, I pretty much got like the call, man, a few days ago. Today is actual release day, May 1st. It's a Tuesday, and pretty rare to have a release come on weekdays. It's pretty refreshing actually to be able to not have anyone really at the mall and just like go in. And I'm not saying that I went in and I just grabbed the pair. Like I actually got a call with the raffle win about this, but it is pretty weird to actually pick up pairs like in the middle of the day. It's like you're 9 to 5. You don't have like too much time to go pick up a pair if you guys have a 9 to 5 and, you know, scoop this up. But I'm fortunate enough to be able to do so, and I wanted to give you guys a review here on YouTube. So the Air Jordan 1 clay green, this is probably one of the more sought after colorways in the 4-pair pack, and I'm honestly trying to go for this whole set. I visited 3 shoe palaces and actually won 2 out of the 3, and it was pretty cool. So I got the call, I was very excited. So it comes in your typical Air Jordan 1 box. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Style number is 555088. Color code is 135. Summit white, clay green, and black. Suggested retail price is 160 bucks. And here they are. This is an amazing colorway, to say the least. I do want to point out on social media, a lot of people had reached out wanting to assist with getting the other colorways. And I do want to shout out Mishman98. And he reached out via DM and asked me about the Blue Moon colorway and wanted to help out. Based out of Cincinnati, and he wanted to offer the pair for retail plus ship. I happily accepted, and I'm hoping to get the Blue Moon ones pretty soon. But like I said, a lot of people had reached out via DM, and I'm hoping that continues because you guys have been amazing. I'm probably going to create another video regarding the culture and the community and just speak about that in my personal thoughts and opinions of it. People have been asking me about the quality of the shoe overall. I would say it's just like the Shadow ones, but not as soft. The collars on the Shadow ones are actually softer. The suede on it's a very short hair suede, almost nubuck to the feel. When you rub your fingers across it, it does do that color shift and change. The clay green colorway is apparent on this back side of the shoe, where it's a black toe up top. So you have it on the heel, this ankle portion, and on the swoosh. You also get the hit of the clay green on the Nike Air right up front, as well as the back side with the writing. Finally, you get that clay green colorway right at the bottom of the sole. The thing I like about this color the most is just the muted color of the green. You don't see a lot of green on Air Jordan 1s other than like a Celtics inspired colorway. And even though those were a bit brighter than these, so these are just like an amazing green. You also get another set of laces with the black laces already in them, but the clay green laces right up here, you have it in a Jumpman bag. So based on this image that you see up here, again, the Blue Moons and the clay greens were both available in North America. The greens were also available in Greater China, while the yellow ochre colorway was available in Europe, the Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. The track red one was available in Greater China, Europe, the Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. The story pairs up Michael Jordan's love for gambling along with his career. So with the Blue Moon colorway, it represents a straight flush on the right insole, while it represents all of Michael Jordan's all-star appearances, and in the process earning him 3 MVPs. The yellow ochre colorway represents Michael Jordan's 5 most valuable player awards and a royal flush on the right insole. The track red colorway represents Michael Jordan's 6 championships and shows a 6 of a kind hand on the right insole. And finally, the clay green colorway represents all of his awards and contributions to the game of basketball. So think Offensive Player of the Year, Defensive Player of the Year, all the championships, and his Hall of Fame induction. And on the insole of the right shoe, you have a full house. So as far as the story is concerned with each colorway and the card numbers representing Michael Jordan, I kind of felt like it was a reach to be able to do that, but at the same time, it's real nice to kind of tie in like Mike's personal hobby with his career. So I mean, I guess what better way to do that than releasing like a 1-pack like this. One other thing that I thought was pretty cool is the hunt for these sneakers. So again, I'm looking for red and yellow. I have green and blue on the way. I think the hunt and having to get together with other people in their sense of this community to be able to help each other out, try and obtain and track down pairs, I think that's really awesome. The creativity that Jordan Brand is having for Jordan Brand these days is pretty awesome, and they really have to pat themselves on the back for being able to outlet that creative spirit and sharing that movement with passionate collectors such as myself out there. Anyways, that's about it for the Clay Green 1 review. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to me here on YouTube, follow me on all my social networks. You can find all that in the description below. Check out these other shots of the shoes, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.